From ripe mango orchards to a massive drying factory, this is how fresh mangoes are transformed into delicious sweet dried mango snacks. Through precision drying, strict quality control, and modern packaging, fresh mangoes become premium dried fruit snacks loved worldwide. The journey of premium dried mango snacks begins in lush mango orchards. Only the best ripe mangoes are selected for high-quality dried snacks.
Mangoes are quickly transported from farm to factory to preserve freshness.
Fresh harvest reaches the factory for large-scale processing. Every mango is carefully received for processing. Mangoes are washed to remove dust and impurities. Only perfectly ripe mangoes move forward in production. The outer skin is removed efficiently while preserving the flesh. Mangoes are sliced into consistent sizes for even drying. Strict quality control ensures only the best slices proceed. Prepared slices are ready for the critical drying stage.
Fresh mangoes are stored under controlled conditions when needed.
Every slice is checked to maintain premium standards. All supporting materials are prepared for final production. From orchard to factory, the sweet transformation is about to begin. Slices receive final cleaning and sanitization. Natural solutions are applied to maintain color and freshness. Surface moisture is removed for efficient drying. Uniform arrangement ensures even drying across all pieces. The mango slices enter the heart of the drying process. Controlled hot air gently removes moisture from the mangoes. Advanced systems maintain perfect drying conditions. The mangoes slowly transform from juicy to perfectly dried. Trays are checked and rotated for uniform drying. Dried slices are cooled before final processing. Each batch is tested to ensure ideal moisture level. Only perfectly dried slices move to packaging. The golden dried mangoes are collected for final steps. Fresh mango has now become premium dried fruit snacks. The mango slices undergo final drying to achieve perfect texture. Dried mangoes are cooled to room temperature for packaging. Slices are sorted by size for different packaging types. The beautiful golden color develops naturally during drying. Only perfect slices continue to the next stage. Laboratory testing confirms the highest quality standards. Real-time monitoring keeps the moisture at ideal levels. Each slice is visually inspected for color and texture. Advanced systems ensure uniform drying across thousands of slices. Golden dried mango slices are collected in bulk. Optional light coating enhances taste and shelf life. Advanced machines precisely weigh and fill each pack. Each pack is sealed and coated with production date. Strict safety systems ensure no contaminants. Robots pack the pouches into cartons efficiently. Pallets are automatically built for distribution. Pallets are tightly wrapped for safe transport. Sample pull, taste and texture check. Regular sampling maintains consistent quality. Professional labels are applied to every package.
Every pack goes through final verification.
Every batch receives final quality certification.
Attractive packaging makes the product shelf-ready.
Vacuum sealing keeps the dried mango fresh for months.
Cartons are prepared for wholesale and export. Pallets are secured and ready for shipment. The products are loaded for distribution.
Sweet dried mango snacks begin their journey to customers.
Products reach major distribution hubs.
The snacks appear on shelves in stores worldwide. People enjoy these healthy and delicious fruit snacks. That'll be $2.99.
Great, thanks.
Feedback helps maintain and improve product quality.
The data shows an 85 positive rate.
Good, let's review the negatives. The factory continues innovating new varieties. Dried mango snacks are exported around the world. This is the complete journey of sweet dried mango snacks.